Alright fellas, so we're about to go on a POV drive in this 2015 535i msport and rear wheel drive. And as you can see, I have DSC off, so it's like sporty settings and stuff. This thing does not have adaptive dampers, so it's just a normal sport suspension. So I'm gonna put it in sport here, put it in sport display. I'm gonna go right, and hopefully nobody goes the road that I'm trying to go. This car is not exactly super sporty from what I found out earlier, but it is quick at least. Floor turn a little bit. Not too bad. Got the old Beamer turn signals. The car is not super confidence inspiring when whipping, but this is a heavy boy, and I'm used to like sporty cars. A little bit understeer. Understeer biased. Tried to slide but didn't work. Let's see if I can get anything here. Nope, not really. Okay, one wheel peels. I've heard that for these open diff Beamers, you're supposed to start with a burnout and then turn if you're trying to do it like that. But I don't feel like destroying the tires like that, so I won't. Also, by the way, this thing is on Michelin Pilot Sport 4 all season. Picked up some pace though. I don't know if their brakes are up to the same task. I'm not trying to get too deep into them, but the car definitely has some mass to it. Yeah, like in turns like that, I can just feel the front trying to go a little bit. Not very confidence inspiring. This car is definitely not loud enough. Like the 335s from this gen, F-Gen, are definitely louder for sure. And the 2015 X5 that we have is also louder, it seems, and that one's not even an M Sport. Especially on cold start, this thing is a little lackluster. has decent grip, but it doesn't really feel like it. Damn, that's a rip in the chat. This might have to be wraps. God dang it. I want enough space for both of us to go. It worked for a second. Alright, well, I guess I'll put it back into normal mode. That's pretty fun, but for a guy who's used to more sporty cars, this is very clearly not meant for that. It's a very comfortable cruiser. I like it in that aspect. The transmission, I know back in the day, like, everyone was busting over the ZF8, and it's still very good, and it's very quick, but I think a transmission tune, XHP, I already know, would do wonders on this car, and not to mention just a downpipe and tune classic, and an exhaust at the very least. If you really wanted to make this super sporty, like some coils and like lowering it and all that stuff, you know, the usual, would really wake this car up, but as it sits, it's clearly not meant to be a hardcore bull car like that. And looking at the brakes, I don't know, they seem decent, but I don't think they would hold up very well to a big car like this. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little POV that we had going on here. This isn't a car that's going to be on the channel very much. I just had an opportunity to drive it. But if you enjoy this kind of content, just come back and we'll show you some more in our personal cars, which are a little bit more fun in my opinion. But yeah, we'll be making at least some speed, like 0 to 60s and stuff like that in this car. It has launch control, but yeah, I will see y'all in the next one.